October 24th, 2025. Look on your weather forecast. It is 4:34 Mountain, 6:36 Eastern. Good morning to everybody. Current weather conditions across. Rainfall warnings, wind warnings at 90 kilometers per hour in British Columbia. It's gonna be a messy day. Rainfall warnings, and we're actually seeing some flurries on Highway 11, and Timmins could actually see some flurries as well. Wet flurries in the forecast. Well, right now at this moment at 6:39 Eastern Time. British Columbia, lots of rain, Vancouver, and the winds are going to pick up at 90 kilometers per hour in a lot of areas today in the north. Just going to be messy. Electricity could be out. Calgary, seeing 45 kilometer per hour winds from the south. That's why the temperature is 16 degrees. And on Sunday will be 7 degrees. And tomorrow 14. Edmonton 5 right now. And today 15 in Edmonton, 14 Fort McMurray. Regina 12 degrees right now. This afternoon. -2 right now. 16 tomorrow, mix of sun and cloud. Winnipeg 0 right now, 10 this afternoon, 14 tomorrow with lots of sunshine, winds from the south, 45 kilometers per hour, and on Sunday, 65 kilometers per hour gust, or 70. So here's Sunday afternoon, 65 to 70 kilometers per hour in southern Manitoba. Strong winds. Thunder Bay this morning, -1. This afternoon 8. Tomorrow 12. And on Sunday 12 degrees. Tonight, big night. Blue Jays are playing. Starting at 8 p.m. We go right there at 8 p.m. A little bit of isolated showers. Risk in the evening hours. So we go 8 p.m. skip when the Blue Jays start. Isolate showers possible. So bring an umbrella. Clears out. Possibly more showers overnight, but keep an eye on that. So 8 p.m. you could see some showers in Toronto. Peterbridge 5 degrees right now. Tomorrow 9, today 10, 8 on Sunday. Barrie, you're seeing some showers this morning right now. Ontario, now we skip to Ottawa. Kingston, also seeing some showers, 9 degrees, 40% chance of precipitation in the morning today, 8 tomorrow, overcast, Sunday, 8 degrees. Montreal, you're seeing some showers as well. Isolate showers. 6 degrees right now in Quebec City, high 10 today, overcast. Looking for the weekend in Halifax, 15 tomorrow, 12 on Sunday, 17 today with lots of sunshine. St. John's, Newfoundland, rain this morning, 5 to 10 millimeters, really windy conditions at 50 kilometers per hour. Here's the wind speeds now. Charlottetown, PI, 15, 12, and 10 on Sunday. Yellowknife, 7 degrees, 5 degrees tomorrow. Lots of fog tomorrow afternoon. Well, all day tomorrow. Beautiful Banff, 8 degrees right now, mild this morning, 4:45. High of 14 today with strong winds at 65 kilometers per hour. 9 tomorrow,